Hi! Welcome Yo Crosscheck. Today I will show you how to capture full-page screenshot using Crosscheck extension. Click on Crosscheck extension. Select Full Page option. Your full-page screenshot is ready. Now you can blur text, and add shapes as needed. You can also add comments and attach files in the comments. On clicking the Create button, a check will be created on the next tab. Here you can see the Console tab, Network tab, and Actions tab. You can also view the added comment. You can also reply to comments. You can view general information and download the screenshot.